Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so we have three regions here: Death Valley, sea level, and Denver. Now you should first know that at at high altitudes or elevation, what happens is the pressure decreases, P decreases, right? Now as the pressure decreases, then the boiling point also decreases. Okay, so let's rank them in order of high altitude. So the highest altitude is Denver here, so Denver, C. And the other high altitude is the sea level, of course, and the place with the lowest elevation is the Death Valley here, so that is A. So at Denver, the altitude is maximum, so pressure is minimum. Then the boiling point is also minimum, right? So we are ranking from the highest boiling water temperature from the highest to lowest, right? So if we rank from highest to lowest, highest boiling point is for A, Death Valley, and lowest boiling point is for Denver. Okay, so the ranking is A, B, and C. Okay, so this answers the given question.